everyone, it's me, Gia, back here to talk on this amazing platform. After my last talk, I have been interested in this new hobby. It was something that I never knew about. It was something that I was never interested in. But in the end, it turned out to be a miracle. So let me tell you how this all began. It were my vacations and I was happy, of course, but I was bored at the same time, as my friends weren't in town. A few days through my vacations, I was invited to a workshop. I was so happy that my friends were also invited. I was super pumped to meet my friends, but I wasn't that interested in the topic of the workshop itself, as it was something that I never wanted to know about or never knew about. I thought for a day. After that, I decided to go. After the workshop, I realized it was the best decision I ever took. It was so amazing that it inspired me to write a talk on it. To sum everything up, it was solar energy. I used it for the first time and it was amazing. So, if you are new to solar energy like I was, it is basically the radiant energy emitted by the sun. So you might be thinking, I'm going to make this a really science-related talk. But let me tell you, I'm not going to involve science. But I have to spill some tea about solar panels and solar energy. Now, you might be all thinking that solar panels were created a few years ago, like in 2015 or 2013. But actually, the fact is that it was created in 1941. You might be thinking, why wasn't it that popular in those days? Let me answer to your question. It wasn't that popular in those days because we didn't have many appliances like mobiles or laptops or social media sites. And many people did not have the knowledge that something so amazing ever existed. Even the creator, Russell O, did not know that it will be so amazing in the future. He thought it was rather a failure. We all might be living in the illusion that solar panels save so much of energy and that half of it is used for the night. But the fact is, an hour of solar panels collecting energy from the sun is enough for 1 year of energy for the entire earth. Not your home, not only your town, not your city, but the entire earth. This is amazing. My question has always been from the start that will there be a day when we all will rely on solar energy? Yes, we can give it a shot, but scientifically it's not possible. We will need a lot of land, which will take a lot of math. It will just take 1 to 2 years for the math to be solved, unless we call Albert Einstein from the heavens to solve this problem. We will even need a lot of fundings. It will take around 4 to 5 years to collect the fundings. Unless, can somebody contact the Bill Gates or Ambani's? It would be amazing. It will help us to solve this problem if they take the initiative. I have always wondered what will happen to us if there wasn't no sun. Yes, I know there will be climate changes. The earth won't exist, but how it will affect us, I cannot even imagine. But can you? I will give you all the time. Until then, goodbye.